Suzuki just redefined what a high-displacement off-road machine can be. The 2026 RM-Z 1050 brings serious power to the dirt, and it's absolutely wild. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today we're tackling the bold 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050, a machine that pushes boundaries in every direction. Let's dig into what makes this bike special. Design. Visually, the RM-Z 1050 commands attention instantly. Aggressive bodywork features sharp lines and functional aerodynamics designed for high-speed stability. The slim chassis keeps weight centralized while providing excellent rider ergonomics. Suzuki's signature yellow pops against dark accents. Construction quality feels robust yet surprisingly lightweight for its displacement category. Performance. Performance numbers are genuinely impressive. The liquid-cooled 1050cc twin produces approximately 115 horsepower with massive low-end torque. Power delivery remains controllable despite the grunt available. Long travel suspension soaks up rough terrain confidently while maintaining composure during aggressive riding. The braking system handles speed reduction with precision and consistency. Features and technology. Suzuki integrated thoughtful technology throughout. Selectable power modes adapt output for varying conditions. Advanced traction control keeps things manageable on loose surfaces. A rugged display provides essential information clearly. Adjustable engine braking and launch control round out the electronic package. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050 carves its own path confidently. It delivers raw excitement with enough refinement for extended adventures. Truly unique machinery. What are your thoughts on this bold direction from Suzuki? Drop your comments below. Smash that like button, share with adventure-minded riders, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content. Until next time.